Open some new doors with your own video products. The market is getting tired of the usual eBooks and special reports that promises the most revolutionary information. They want something new, something more, something that they could actually respond to. And it becomes an internet marketer's challenge to come up with novel products that would excite a market slowly sinking to indifferent stupor. And the most encouraging product types that have been invented in recent months are video products. Yes, video that you could actually watch from your monitor screen. Video that is accompanied by audio commentaries, which seek to inform, if not to entertain. There are many reasons why video products are better than written works, which have become passe after a decade or so. People respond more to what they could see and hear, rather than what they could merely read. People are more stimulated with what they get to enjoy watching. Some information, which cannot be clearly conveyed with written works, can actually be demonstrated with video presentations. Video presentations present information in a clearer, and often, more concise manner. Video presentations are viewed as more professional products compared to their counterparts. Indeed, video products are easily better options compared to conventional varieties. But the problem that most internet marketers experience with this medium is the seemingly complicated process involved in their creation. This, however, should not be the case. With the right knowledge on how to proceed, you'd realize that creating a video product is easier than baking an apple pie. Let's take a look at the essential steps. 1. Select a subject you want to tackle, preferably a subject you are already familiar with. 2. Select a particular aspect of that topic which you will want to discuss. It should be something engaging and helpful for your future customers. 3. Prepare an outline of how you will discuss the said aspect of the subject. 4. Do your research. 5. If your subject involves a certain niche, get a digital camcorder and record the appropriate material. You may choose to add your audio in real time, that is, while you're filming your footage, or later on, during the editing process. 6. If your subject involves online affairs, download the screen capture program at http://www.camtasia.com. This would allow you to capture your computer screen's movements in AVI format. Camtasia would also allow you to record the audio in real time, or you may prepare a different audio file via Windows Sound Recorder and synchronize both formats later on. 7. Edit the materials using a video editing software program. There are many of these for sale, but if you want something readily available, Windows comes with a Movie Maker program already. 8. If you will offer your video product for download, convert your file into WMV format to compress its size. 9. If you choose physical delivery, burn your video product on CDs or DVDs and prepare them for shipping. 10. Then you could market your product already. Nothing is complicated about it. Creating your own video product is indeed that simple. Anyone could do it, actually. And the applications for this type of creation are amazingly diverse. You could add video components to your sales page to increase your response rate. You could offer downloadable video lessons to increase consumer confidence. Instead of preparing a written manual, you could demonstrate what is needed to be done with a software product you're offering through a series of videos that can be packaged with your item. The possibilities are endless. The above examples are just a sampling of the many doors that video products can open for you. If you want to favorably position yourself in the online marketing field, do consider creating your own video products as soon as possible.